Alright guys, so I just painted the mirrors. They were in really bad condition, so I've painted them with Trem Clam semi-gloss primer plus paint. So one of them turned out pretty good, but the other one, for some reason, the paint wrinkled and stuff, so it doesn't look really good. Honestly, I probably have to redo both of them. I'm pretty sure for some reason I didn't clean them good enough, so the paint didn't stick to it as it should. But for now, they still look better than what they used to, so I'm probably just gonna keep going that way.
So I started off by sanding both mirrors with some 220 grit sandpaper. Since it's a primer based paint, you don't have to go over 220. So here I'm just cleaning the glass real quick so I can tape it. Then I make sure to push the tape really deep into the edge of the mirror to make sure that when I cut it out with the precision knife, it actually has a nice clean cut. Using solvent, I just clean up all the surface. And finally, just paint it. So while waiting for the paint to cure, I actually went ahead and started to repair the front fairing. And in that case, I used JB Weld to glue the two parts together.
This is the good one, and then this is the bad one. So that's just a little detail I wanted to do. So that's done. Like I said, I'm probably gonna have to redo them. I removed the front glass so I could repair that little piece here with some JB Weld. It's all back together. It's pretty strong, but I'm still gonna put some stitches on the other side. So pretty much it's just gonna be some heated metal. So once you heat up the metal, you just stick it into there, and then it's gonna melt in the plastic and it's gonna hold really stronger. So I also went ahead and polished the front glass. So it's still like really scratchy and everything, because I'd have to like sand it down and everything, but I'm not gonna go like up to there, so I only polished it. It looks way cleaner than what it used to. Before it was all brownish and it was really scratched up bad. You probably couldn't even see the heater in the back. So
here what it used to look like, and then I used just a regular polisher with a pad, and now it looks like that.
It's way better. There's like a dollar sign for some reason in the front. I don't know why, but anyways, so that looks a ton better. So it's just small details here and there just so it looks better. I've ordered the parts, so they're probably gonna come in then in the next weeks. So I'll have the new battery, I'll have the new spark plugs, and so we'll do also an oil change because I'm gonna have the filter. And then I've ordered some stuff for my KX250F also, so I'll probably make a video on that. And then that's pretty much it for now. I'm gonna send the carburetor to get repaired. So once that all arrive, the bike should, well, we should be able to rebuild the bike at least, and then from there see if we can get it to run. So that'd be really nice. So last week I went to the DMV to get it registered to my name. So now it's actually under my name. I have the plate and everything. So really the only thing that's left on this bike is to get it to run and then pass safety. So I have the plate and everything. So really I hope it passes safety before summer. That'd be my like biggest goal. So right now we're heading up to there. So it's coming along pretty nice. I'm pretty happy how like things are going right now. So I'm pretty sure that's it for this week, since we're going to be waiting on the parts. and then once they arrive, I'm gonna have a new video on. I'll make sure to keep you guys updated with the next videos, so make sure you subscribe and follow, and then I'll see you guys in the next videos. Bye.